Good morning dear students. I am teaching chapter 15. Name of the chapter 15 is the light. Light. So yesterday we discussed about activity 15.8 and today I will discuss about activity 15.9. In 15.9 to study the nature, position and size of the image formed by a convex lens as the distance of the object from the lens changed. Materials required. What are the materials required for the activity? Convex lens and mounted in a lens stand, screen made of white stiff, cardboard, candle, matchbox and a meter scale and plasticine. Hold the convex lens in an upright position with plasticine as shown in the figure 15.15 and place a meter scale along the convex lens, and on the left hand side of the lens place a lighted candle such that it is at a distance of about 70 cm from the lens, and on the right hand you can place the wide screen in an upright position and move the screen back or forward in a till a well defined image is formed on the candle flame is formed. Now the characteristics of the image. Note the characteristics of the image. When move the candle 10 cm towards the lens, again obtain the image of the candle by moving it back and forward. Note the characteristics of the image. Then repeat the experiment 4 more times by moving the candle forward by 10 cm in each case. Then you will observe that as the candle is moved towards the lens, the size of the image it becomes larger, and a stage comes when the size of the image of the candle flame is equal to the actual size of the candle flame. And when the candle is further moved towards the lens, the size of the image of the candle flame becomes larger than the actual size of the flame. In all the above cases, the image of the candle flame is real and inverted. Conclusion. What are the conclusion? So when an object is fairly far away from the convex lens, a real, inverted and diminished image is formed, and this image becomes larger as the object is slowly moved towards the lens till a stage comes when the size of the image is equal to the size of the object, and when the object is further moved towards the lens, the size of the image becomes bigger than the size of the object. In all cases, image is inverted and real. And activity 15.10 to study the nature, position and the size of the image formed by a concave lens. In first it was the convex lens and now concave lens as the distance of the object from the lens changes. What are the materials required for the activity? Concave lens mounted on a lens stand, screen made of white stiff cardboard, candle, matchbox, meter scale, plasticine. So hold the concave lens in an upright position with plasticine as given in the diagram, and when you have to place a meter scale along the concave lens, on the left hand side of the lens place a lighted candle such that it is at distance of 70 cm from the lens. On the right hand side of the lens place a white screen in an upright position and move the screen back or forward. You will notice that no image is formed on the screen at any position, and if you look through the lens from the side of the screen, you will find an erect, diminished and virtual image of the candle. And when you have to move the candle 10 cm towards the lens and adjust the position of the screen, then you will notice that no image is formed on the screen and the virtual, erect and diminished image of the candle is visible. And when you look through the lens from the side of the screen, and if the experiment repeated 3 or 4 times by moving the candle towards the lens, the same observations are there as stated above. Conclusion. A concave lens always forms a virtual, erect and diminished image, and when the object moves towards the lens, the image formed is always virtual and erect. and the size of the image becomes large but is never equal to the size of the object. This is all about till here. Two activities I have given and you will take revision of these two activities.